guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a supernatural photo shoot. Well, generate a supernatural inspired photo shoot. I'm just going to paste this prompt. I will put it again in the description box down below. It's inspired by the Ariana Grande supernatural photo shoot. Just press enter. Your face won't be super visible because it's going to be kind of from the side. Okay, what's going on? Let's type in generate based on the picture above, maybe, and then go to tools and then create images. Hopefully it's going to create an image instead of just analyzing the prompt like just now. Sorry about that. Do need to buy wet tissues. Sorry, it's so random. And this is what it's going to look like. Super cool effect here. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.